everyone, welcome to the Mansi Manda Tarot and Guidance. So today I'm going to share something, what I would say that I recently had a tarot session, right? And ये मैं बात आपको इसलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग ये कहते हैं कि इज देयर इज़ एनी लाइफ आफ्टर डेथ, सोल्स का क्या होता है, एंड क्या हमारे लव वंस हमें सुन सकते हैं, क्या वो हमसे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. तो आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू येस, वो हमसे कर सकते हैं बिकॉज जो आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ये उसका एक बहुत ही परफेक्ट एग्जाम्पल है. और मैं आपसे इसलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज बिलीव जो सोल्स शेयर करते हैं दे हैव नो malicious things in their in them, and they share it purely, especially your near and dear ones. So वो हमसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, हमें बस रिसेप्टिव होना चाहिए और हमेशा सोल्स हमारे आसपास रहते हैं. एंड दे मेक श्योर कि उनके लव्ड वंस जो हैं वो बाय द टाइम ठीक हो जाएं. दे हैव वेरियस टेक्निक्स टू help the people who are left behind. Various techniques, I'll talk about them in another video, but this is right now about a session what I did recently, and it was a normal tarot session, I would say. There were questions about future, confusion, life and everything, right? But in the middle of the session I got to know that my client is going through some kind of grief, and she recently lost one of her best friend in a woman, a friend. My client lost a friend in a very tragic fire accident with her whole family, and it was very sad. And while my client was talking about her grief or something like that between the in the session and everything, something shifted completely. And I don't know how to explain it to you guys, but the people who know, they know that I started receiving messages very strongly from her friend's soul. It was like that she's just sitting or she's just talking here, and I'm just conveying the messages, and I was only the vessel, the medium between the two of them, and I was just conveying the messages. And it was so, and I was, most importantly, मेरे साथ क्या होता है sometimes when this channelized thing happened, I started feeling the full emotions of the soul at that particular time. जो भी मुझे वो soul feel करवाना चाहती है, right? For example, the first thing I felt was like thirst. I was thirsty. There was an unbearable burning in my throat area. My throat started aching. दर्द होने लग गया मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा. And I was desperately craving for the water at that time. And after the session, I will tell you, I finished an entire bottle of water in like seconds, because I was feeling that the sensation was still there before the cord cutting, right? So then came the emotions जो मुझे feel हुए उस moment पे. That is, and interestingly the emotions were not of anger. Emotions were, so the emotions was, interestingly, I told you, it was not for like the soul was angry or something. No, there was no anger, there was no fear, and not even attachment to what she was while she was alive, the status and the kind of job she was doing, the position or the reputation she carried, right? Nothing. She was only worried about her child, even at that moment also, first thing. And later I got to know that in the last moment she was clutching her child to her chest. So that was one thing. And then she showed me very small details, like what she was wearing, because at any point of time I didn't know about this person. And her friend in the tarot session she was the only validation point who can confirm that what I am saying or what she's conveying is the right, are the correct things, right? So yes, I got a validation for so many small things to ensure that it's her friend soul who is now conveying the messages. And she, how she validated, कैसे validate करा उन्होंने मुझे ये बताया कि the kind of jewelry she was wearing, what she used to wear, you know, everything. And she had a message for her parents, and kind message, please understand the message. It was not something like we talk daily और हम एक दूसरे लोगों को ज्ञान बांटते हैं ना, वैसे messages नहीं थे. It was just like, Mama, Papa, please let go and don't stay attached to my things. Please. So the message was more like, Mama, Papa, let go of my things, don't get attached to them, and just let me live peacefully. And I am happy. I'm with my child right now, and I didn't knew things happens like that. And she's still absorbing like what happened, how it happened. Well, she was worried about the close ones, and she wanted to tell them that it's okay to let go. So maybe that's the message I want to leave you with all today, that please love people while they are. You never know whether you will be able to meet or talk to that person the next day, first thing. Secondly, please speak softly, please forgive faster, okay, and stop hurting people emotionally, because this is something किसी ने सही कहा है, that it's exactly how you make other person feel is something that stays with them. Money, status, कुछ नहीं चाहता साथ में, सिर्फ यही चीज़ चाहती है. And live your life, don't survive, live it. And अपने पैशन को, जो आप करना चाहते हो उसको फॉलो करो. Because another session that happened today was a proper channelized session, जिसका crux basically ये था that the client wanted to do something in life, and it was very late. When she passed away, she was happy that at least she could she surrendered to the passion she loved. But the only thing she wanted to convey, that I wish I could started living earlier, right? So that was one thing she shared, apart from many other things. So because at the end it's all about your life, and I would say because one day all that will remain is the feeling we give to one another, right? And believe me when I say that, trust me, that soul remembers love, nothing else, okay? So live and love, that's it. Thank you.